Nestled in the plush, fertile lands of central Oahu's Liliho Plain rests a critically important facility to the United States Army's 24/7 operations in the area. This is the Schofield Barracks wastewater treatment plant at Wheeler Army Airfield.
This plant is an A+. This is actually the most complicated and highest quality plant. It's not the largest plant, but 100% of our effluent is reused. It's reused on food crops. We save millions of gallons a day of water from being pumped up from our aquifer, fresh potable water, and we take water that would typically be dumped into the ocean. We clean that water to the highest quality standards, use that on food crops, which reduces the amount of water we draw from the aquifer.
After being contracted by the U.S. Army in 2004, Aqua Engineers has undertaken the task of installing numerous upgrades to the wastewater treatment system, including replacing sewer pipelines and transmission lines, the construction of a new pumping station, as well as elevating its efforts to make these facilities more energy efficient.
For us, it gives us the opportunity to go that extra mile and to be able to provide these kind of services. If we weren't able to optimize our systems to reduce our energy costs, we wouldn't be able, for example, to build the water reuse lines 10 or 15 miles to reuse that water.
One prime example of optimizing their systems is the switching over to a new state-of-the-art technique of moving untreated water through the cleansing process, a technique that provided substantial energy savings from the get-go.
So now each one of these blowers uses 25% less, and at any given time, one or two blowers less is required to run.
In teaming up with Aqua Engineers, Hawaii Energy helped fund an energy study to identify energy savings opportunities. Based on that study, Aqua Engineers moved forward on the recommendations. Hawaii Energy provided financial incentives to replace older model motors with updated energy efficiency ones, and removed obsolete transformers that have since made room for much needed workspace for on-site scientists and researchers. In all, the wastewater treatment system has realized an energy savings of close to 1 million kilowatt hours, equivalent to an annual savings of $158,000.
Right now we have plans to build water reuse lines to the Army Golf Course and other parts of the base so that several different customers can use water at different times when they need it. And without the energy savings, without the support of Hawaii Energy, we wouldn't have been able to pay for those or to pay for the extra effort required, the extra engineering that it takes to go the extra mile to do that.